This video covers setting up the Fenyx pump for dispensing and metering applications using the FMI configuration tool. If you have not watched the software overview video, please do so first. The Fenyx pump operates on the same rotating and reciprocating principle as the STF pump, but includes a linear actuator for electronically adjusting dispense volume per revolution. The software operates similarly to the other FMI pumps, but the control box has two drivers, rotary and linear. Setup. Connect to the rotary driver as shown in the GUI overview video. After communication is established, click the Port 2 Motion Settings tab to set communication parameters for the linear motor. Once both drivers are connected, switch between motors using the tabs at the top. Linear motor page. The strokes parameter is labeled as steps and only accepts step input. The top right displays the current position. Home position is 0. Range is -500 to 4500. The software prevents exceeding these limits. Dispensing. To set up the Fenyx for dispensing, you can either configure it manually or use the built-in calculator tool. Using the calculator tool. Confirm both motors are at the home position. Extra special, it's important to know that both linear and rotary motors cannot operate at the same time. Click the Set Dispense Volume button located just below the Start button on the rotary tab. This will open a new window. The calculator helps set the linear actuator to the correct position for your desired dispense. Please note, this calculator is intended as a reference to get you close to your desired dispense, as differences in your fluidic system can affect the actual dispense volume. Begin by setting the linear actuator settings. Select the pump type from the drop-down menu. For example, Fenyx-200. The standard home position for the Fenyx-200 is 25 microliters. But if you have a custom calibration, enter that value. Enter your target dispense per revolution, for example, 150 microliters. Next, configure the rotary motor settings. Enter the desired speed for dispensing, for example, 300 RPM. Enter the stroke count, for example, 1 for a single shot. Enter a large number for multiple dispenses. For stroke type, always select cycles. After entering all parameters, click the Calculate button. The calculator will display the flow rate and total volume to be dispensed. Click the Apply button. The linear actuator will home itself and then move to the correct location for the volume you entered. The speed and stroke count will be updated on the rotary tab. You can then press the Start button, and the pump will perform the desired dispense. If the dispense is slightly off, you can go to the Linear Motor tab and make slight adjustments to achieve the desired result. Manual setup. You may also set up dispensing manually by entering the desired parameters directly into the software. Metering. Set up as for dispensing. For example, set linear motor to 100 microliters per rev and rotary speed to 400 RPM. Click Calculate and Apply. On the rotary page, change the flow method to meter. This is the stroke parameter as it disappears. Click Start to run at the desired flow rate until stopped. This concludes the video on dispensing and metering with the Fenyx pump.